Hi everyone, I'm Peter and I'm here to talk about our timer modes 1 and 6 today. Two modes because they're very closely related, as you'll see. So mode 1 we'll start with first, and that's with all the dip switches to the right, which is how it ships by default. And let's push the start button and see what it does. So as you can see, the relay came on, which in your case will probably be a pump, mixer, or heater or something like that. And at 8 seconds, you see that the front button light came on. That's an early warning feature. And then at the end of the cycle, so the early warning is really important in plating operations, for example, because I have somebody there instantly so it doesn't overrun. So I'm going to show you mode 6 now, which is the same thing except the lights are reversed. So this will be the early warning. That will be the end of cycle light. So let's go into the setting of the modes. So here we have mode 6. It says the dip switches 2 through 5 need to be left, right, left, right. So there's switch 2, left, right, left, right. And the top switch dictates the minutes, seconds, or hours, minutes. We'll leave that alone because it's in minutes, seconds right now. Okay, so now we'll expect to see the lights are reversed. So there's the same countdown as before, same relay comes on. And notice there's the overrun count up. So I'm going to go into the setting of the times now. It's pretty simple, like a kitchen timer. You just, actually, let's push both of these buttons at once. We push both buttons at once, and it sets it to 0. And then to set the, you can use either these buttons or the on circuit board buttons, which I think I'll use. So to set the minutes, it's just pushing the button up or down. And the seconds is just depressing the front button and then doing the same thing. So we're going to set a time cycle for 11 seconds. And now we're going to set the early warning time. So this time it's all 3 buttons. Hold down for about 4 seconds. When the display flashes, then it's ready to accept a time right there. So we're going to set that to 5 seconds. Release it, and then when it flashes again, it means it's registered that time and it's ready to begin a cycle. So here we go. So at 5 seconds, we expect the early warning to happen. And there it is. One last thing I'll show you about it is the count up feature. So if we clear the display again like that, now we're going to start it and it will count up from 0. No early warning in this mode because there's no target. The timer doesn't know what the target time is, so it just counts up. But by pushing the button, and this can be canceled midway through by pushing the button and holding, and then the display flashes to let you know that the cycle didn't run to completion and it needs attention. And the way to get it back is to acknowledge that there's been by pushing the front button. So that's our timer mode 1 and 6. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.